Welcome to today's high-octane strategic briefing. We are diving deep into the Wall Street Journal Weekend Edition. The headlines today reveal a world in transition, from shifting economic powers to the rise of AI. China's global economic share has declined to 17% in 2025. In California, a jury finds Elon Musk liable for Twitter investor losses from 2022. Energy markets are reacting as crude oil futures hit $112.19 a barrel. Our deep dive into business and finance begins with the corporate tax secrets revealed today. NVIDIA led corporate tax payments, contributing $16,800 million last year. JP Morgan Chase secured a $1,100 million refund after completed audits. Pharmaceutical giants continue to utilize Ireland as a hub, paying $12,000 million in cash taxes. The tiny island of Malta has also become a strategic center for companies like Yum Brands and Thermo Fisher. Now, we examine how AI companies are pouring massive amounts of money into the midterm elections. In New York, congressional candidates are facing millions in attack ads from pro-AI political groups. The AI industry is flooding Washington with cash, with 1 in 4 lobbyists now focused on AI policy. A Supermicro co-founder resigned amid allegations of smuggling high-end chips to China. The broader markets are under pressure, suffering a 4th straight weekly loss as energy uncertainty continues. UBS has obtained a full-service banking license to tap into the wealth of affluent Americans. Prediction market operator Kalshi reaches a $22,000 million valuation in its latest round. Banks are ready to put capital to work, aiming to strike new deals and increase lending capacity. We turn now to the opinion pages, featuring a guide to the strategic style of Donald Trump. Trump's strategy often involves provoking emotion to gain an advantage in complex negotiations. Allies like Canada have been challenged by this style, often falling into defensive postures. His priorities are clear. America must be the top nation, while China remains the primary rival. Professor Roland Fryer discusses the vast and fragmented landscape of artificial intelligence regulation. The goal is to align incentives and discourage harm while fostering innovation in this critical field. A well-designed regulatory menu could allow firms to trade scrutiny for relief in a more efficient system. Geopolitical stability is at risk as reports indicate a critical ammunition shortage in the US arsenal. The challenge extends beyond the current conflict, requiring a revitalized defense industrial base. The Pentagon aims to rebuild the arsenal of freedom to prepare for future global challenges. Finally, we look at the FCC's focus on streaming giants for sports broadcast rights. The move aims to protect local news and manage the shift towards mass sports streaming. In-play betting now accounts for 50% of revenue, pushing the need for low-latency streaming. That concludes our deep dive into the latest Wall Street Journal strategic briefing. This is Rahul Malhotra signing off.